Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Netspend Activate account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Netspend Activate Login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.netspend.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to load and wait for it. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the activate form of Netspend. Over here you just need to enter your card number. Similarly, enter your security number over here. And once you click on continue button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.